Today we will learn the step-by-step technique and proper sites for administering an intramuscular injection in the deltoid and gluteal muscles. Before beginning, always check the patient's name, the medication name, the strength, the required dosage, and the expiry date of the injection. Once verified, wash your hands and wear your gloves. Make sure there are no bubbles in the filled syringe. Injection in the shoulder is given in the muscle called deltoid. The deltoid is a smaller muscle and can typically hold up to 1 ml of medication. For the deltoid injection, expose the area and locate the bony projection called acromion process near the tip of the shoulder. I can feel it right here. The site where needle should go is 2 to 3 finger breadths below the acromion process, that is, in the middle thick part of the deltoid muscle. Clean the area with an alcohol swab in a circular motion from inside towards the outside. Let it dry for a minute. Gently pinch the muscle to increase depth. Hold the syringe like a dart and insert the needle at 90-degree angle. Inject the medicine. Withdraw the needle. Apply pressure with a gauze piece for a few minutes. Do not massage the area. Aspiration before injection is not recommended anymore. Injection in the buttock is given in the muscle called gluteus medius. You can call it gluteal muscle for simplicity. The gluteal muscle can accommodate up to 4 ml of medication. For the gluteal injection, divide the buttock area in 4 quadrants in your mind. The needle should go in the upper outer quadrant. I have shaded the upper outer quadrant here. Remaining technique is the same. Expose the area and clean it with an alcohol swab in a circular motion from inside towards outside. Let it dry for a minute. Use your non-dominant hand to stretch the skin. This is the Z-track technique. It creates a zigzag path that seals the medication inside the muscle and prevents it from leaking. Hold the syringe like a dart and insert the needle at 90-degree angle. Inject the medicine. Withdraw the needle. Apply pressure with a gauze piece for a few minutes. Do not massage the area. Aspiration before injection is not recommended anymore. Cap the needle using the one-handed scoop method to avoid needle stick injuries. Finally, discard the syringe and needle into their designated containers. Thanks a lot for watching. Like the video if you find it useful. Subscribe for more such videos.